What's going on YouTube? It's Shaq here, back with a brand new video, and today I'll be reviewing the TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless extender. Just in case you haven't heard about it, this thing extends your Wi-Fi coverage. We all have those compartments at home where your Wi-Fi is weak, and this thing got your back. What it does is it actually receives the signal from your router and it extends so that you can have a wider Wi-Fi coverage. I really wish I knew everything I currently know about this product before buying it, if it makes any sense. But it's okay, I already have it, and with this video I want to make sure you get to know everything you need to know about this product before even buying it. I got this device from Amazon like 10 months back for 1300 Indian rupees, something close to 20 bucks, 20 US dollars, which is kind of a good deal. The product is really solid, it's cool, but we've got few crucial points that I'll be talking about in this video. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the unboxing. This is how the box looks like. We've got a blue box with a yellow finish on top and on the bottom as well. So we've got over here world's number one. This is just marketing right there. We've got 300 Mbps range extender. We've got 3 years of warranty, which is really cool from TP-Link's side. We've got easy setup. We've got Tether application, which is an application that actually allows you to set up everything on this router. You can actually change the password, everything from the application. It's available for Android users as well as iPhone users. We've got access point mode, which is a really cool feature. I'll talk about it in this video. I'll actually go in depth. I'll talk about all of the features of this extender. Over here we've got intelligent signal indicator light, which is a feature that allows you to understand if your extender is way too far from the router or not. Okay, we've got multi-language, which allows different languages. We've got 300 Mbps speed right here, which is not exactly 100% 300 Mbps. I'll talk about it in the video. This is a really crucial point. We've got access control, where you can actually block people from accessing the wireless network. We've got coverage control, where you can actually choose if you want to have a wider or a narrower Wi-Fi coverage from the extender side. We've got compatible with any Wi-Fi router. Of course, it can actually extend any Wi-Fi router connection. The brand of the router doesn't matter. Over here we've got some cool design, and you can actually download the application by scanning the QR code in here. All you need to do is just scan it and you'll be able to download the application on the App Store or in the Play Store itself. Over here we've got wall plug design. This was actually designed to plug into the wall, which is really cool. We've got intelligent signal indicator, we've got easy setup, we've got Ethernet port. So you actually can connect devices through the LAN port over here. You can actually shade it through cable and connect to a PlayStation, to a smart TV, and many other devices supporting LAN cable. So let's just quickly open the box. And boom. So this is what we've got right here. Normally it comes with a manual guide, but I'm the kind of guy that sends the manual guide straight to the trash bin. So I don't have it anymore. I've been using this for like 10 months. But here we go. We've got the product right here. So it comes just with the product and the manual. There's nothing else inside it. This is actually how it looks like. I actually love the design of this thing right here. This is really small and designed to plug straight to the wall. TP-Link, we've got the wireless power Ethernet. Over here you can check the strength of the coverage, and down here we've got an Ethernet port. So you can actually connect a LAN cable, as I said. And we've got the reset option in here. If you want to reset everything and just start it from zero, you can actually reset it. This is really small, it fits perfectly on my hand, and I really like it because it's portable. Actually I usually take this thing with me in my pocket whenever I go to a friend's place, and if it doesn't have a good internet coverage, I just turn it on, I open the application on my phone, and I quickly set it up. I just extend his own network coverage and I'm good to go. This is really cool. You can take it with you, and it doesn't take more than a minute to set up any internet connection. This is a product that has been designed straight to connect to the wall. On the phone, we've got the application right here. Okay, so I'm gonna select my device over here. It says logging into the device. I'm already logged into the device, and as you guys can see, I can actually manage the extender from this application. I can actually block people over here. I can control the LEDs if I want them to work or not, and do a lot more with this application. The other way of connecting to the wireless extender is by going to the default access, which is the TP-Link repeater.net link. We basically have two methods or two different ways of setting up this device right here. The very first method is by setting it up as a range extender, and the second one is to set it up as an access point. Let me break it down to you. As a range extender, you actually receive the signal from your router through the wireless medium, and it just repeats. It extends through the wireless medium as well. You also have the LAN port right here, where you can actually connect a LAN cable and share it to other devices such as a smart TV, a PlayStation, or a laptop, which is really cool. While as an access point, you can actually use this device as a mini router, where you actually receive the signal from your router through a LAN cable, and then it extends through the wireless medium. I really like the fact that we can actually choose how we want to use this product right here. It's really cool from TP-Link's side to let the customer just decide how they want to use the product that they have just bought. So a quick shout out to TP-Link. But we've got a problem right here. When you actually use this thing as a range extender, where you receive the signal through the Wi-Fi medium and you repeat it through the wireless medium, you don't actually get 300 Mbps. You only get 15 Mbps, which is really disappointing. I even tried setting up this device closer to my router to see if I could get a much stronger connection, but all I got was just 15 Mbps, while my internet speed runs around 50 Mbps. But whenever I switch it to the access mode, where I connect it through the LAN cable, it works fine. I got my normal speed results. So this is a drawback, and it's a very important point right here. At least for me, it doesn't help much. I only use this thing as an access point because I need fast internet as a YouTuber. If you are a gamer, this is probably not the best option for you to get, or if you want to get straight, use it as an access point. But if you are someone who doesn't care about really fast internet, then this is probably the best deal you can get out there. But anyways, besides that, it's a good product. I've been enjoying this thing for like 10 months. It's really cool, it's solid, and you won't be having any issues with this device right here. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you do not want to miss my next reviews, DIYs, and tech fixes. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.